Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily hide liked videos on TikTok. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. So let's go ahead and open Play Store or App Store, and from here all you need to do is make sure the TikTok app is updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions for everything to work smoothly in this process. Now let's quit the store and open the TikTok app. Of course, you have to be logged into your account, to your TikTok account that you want to hide the likes in. Anyways, now let me just like another video before we continue, and then from here go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner, and then let's go to settings by tapping the three lines at the top right. Then from this menu, tap on settings and privacy. Now the option that you were looking for says liked videos or likes, something like that. Anyways, that feature used to be somewhere else, so if you watch previous or old videos on YouTube about this one, you might get lost. So this video is kind of the updated version of those videos basically. Anyways, from here we go to interactions and then find liked videos. It's right there. As you can see, it says everyone. Now to change it to stop people from seeing it, basically just tap on only you, and just like that you have changed basically your liked videos privacy to only you, and just like that you're the only one who'll be able to see that, as you can see guys. Now if you can't find that setting for some reason, go back to settings and then tap on report a problem or help or anything like that that you can find in your settings, because we need to go ahead and contact their support. We tap on that red button in the bottom and then just tell them about your issue right here, and they should fix that for your account if you're going through that issue, but it's not very common, so you probably should be good to go. Anyways, that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you for watching.